Hello everybody, I'm Christoph. Welcome back to LE DIY and How to Serious video. Today we are going to learn how to select the best LED floodlight for your project. LED floodlights can be used for your gardens, for your backyard, for your parking lot, or more. How do you choose the most suitable wattage for your floodlight? Depending on the area you want to light, we have a few suggestions.
For example, if your garden or backyard size is 300 feet, our suggestion for wattage is 15 to 20 watts. The lumen value is around 1100 to 2300, depending on your need for brightness.
So, how are these suggestions made? We base them on science and calculation.
Lumens needed equals illuminance target multiplied by area divided by LLT multiplied by CU. LLT equals 0.75. CU equals 0.7 for outdoor LED floodlights.
If you're interested in the formula, subscribe to our channel and contact me. I will be happy to explain to you in detail. Different applications, however, have different standards applied.
Take parking lots, for example, which need more light. The illumination requirements are different still for intersections and entrances.
If your parking lot is around 500 feet, our suggestion for wattage is 50 watts. The lumen value is around 4700 to 5700.
If you have other projects and you're not sure about the best wattage choice, subscribe to our channel and contact us directly so we can help you. By the way, a lot of LED floodlights provide inflated wattage and brightness numbers. So always buy from a trusted brand. Otherwise, the area which you want to light might not look as bright as you wish. Next, we look at how to choose the light color.
Daylight white is the most popular choice for outdoor lighting. If you love a more relaxed environment though, you can choose warm white. RGB is a good choice for special purposes. For example, party lighting, mood lighting, and other special cases work well with RGB lights.
Do you need a motion sensor?
If you want to save on your electricity bill and have a long-lasting product, the answer is yes. If you want to save the effort of turning your lights on and off every day, the answer is yes again.
However, the price is usually at least 30% higher, so you need to factor that into your budget.
UL or ETL certification. LED floodlights are electrical products. UL or ETL is proof of safety and quality. However, the price is usually higher for certified products than those without UL or ETL certification.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more home DIY knowledge and save thousands of dollars.